Water buffalo, scientifically known as bubalus, are large bovids primarily found in Asia, though they have been introduced to other parts of the world. Here are some key characteristics. Physical appearance: they are robust, with large, heavy bodies, short and sturdy legs, and a relatively large head. Their coat can range from black to various shades of gray. Both males and females have horns, though those of the males tend to be larger and more curved. The skin of river buffalo is black, but some specimens may have dark, slate-colored skin. Swamp buffalo have gray skin at birth but become slate blue later. Albinoids are present in some populations. River buffalo have comparatively longer faces, smaller girths, and bigger limbs than swamp buffalo. Their dorsal ridges extend further back and taper off more gradually. Their horns grow downward and backward, then curve upward in a spiral. Swamp buffalo are heavy-bodied and stockily built, their body is short and their belly is large. The forehead is flat, the eyes are prominent, the face is short, and the muzzle is wide. The neck is comparatively long, and the withers and croup are prominent. A dorsal ridge extends backward and ends abruptly just before the end of the chest. Their horns grow outward and curve in a semicircle, but always remain more or less on the plane of the forehead. The tail is short, reaching only to the hocks. Habitat: water buffalo are well adapted to wet environments and are often found in swampy or marshy areas, as well as in rice fields and rivers. They are strong swimmers and are known to enjoy being in water, which helps them regulate their body temperature and keeps parasites at bay. Water buffalo are terrestrial animals but are very dependent on water. They spend most of their time wallowing in rivers or mud holes. River buffalo prefer deep water while swamp buffalo prefer to wallow in mudholes which they make with their horns. Domestication: they have been domesticated for thousands of years and play a significant role in agriculture. They are used for plowing fields, transporting goods, providing milk, meat, and leather. Water buffalo were domesticated in the Indian subcontinent about 5,000 years ago, and in China about 4,000 years ago. At least 130 million domestic water buffalo exist, and more people depend on them than on any other domestic animal. They are especially suitable for tilling rice fields, and their milk is richer in fat and protein than that of dairy cattle. Diet: water buffaloes are herbivores, primarily grazing on grasses and aquatic plants. Their diet may also include agricultural byproducts and various types of foliage. Water buffalo are herbivores. They feed on aquatic plants, grasses, reeds, herbs, leaves, and other vegetation. Behavior: they are social animals, often found in herds led by a dominant female. They communicate through various vocalizations and body language. Reproduction: female water buffaloes typically give birth to a single calf after a gestation period of around 9 to 11 months. Female water buffalo typically give birth every other year to a single baby called a calf. Male bachelor herds or lone older bulls travel to find accepting mates among the maternal herds. The gestational period lasts 10 or 11 months, and male offspring will remain with the herd for 3 years while females generally stay for life. Water buffaloes are highly valued for their contribution to agriculture and are an integral part of many cultures, especially in parts of Asia, where they are used for various purposes. Their adaptability to waterlogged areas and their strength have made them essential for certain types of farming and transportation in these regions.